We are today there for a session on online conferencing tool. As we all know that हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बड़े जोर शोर से वोकल फॉर लोकल का नारा दिया है और आज की डेट पे हम सभी लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं कि हमारे पास इंडिजीनियस इंडियनाइज्ड टूल्स कौन कौन से हैं जहां से हम ऑन वर्चुअल कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कर सकते हैं। तो आज उसी सीक्वेंस में हम एक टूल को लेकर के आए हैं आपके सामने जिसका नाम है किश्ताब, जो कि एक्स एंड पाई प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के अंतर्गत चल रहा है। आज हमारे साथ उसके फाउंडर हैं रोहन सक्सेना जी, जिन्होंने बीई इलेक्ट्रिकल्स की है भोपाल से और फिर उसके बाद वो यूएस गए जहाँ पे सैन होजे से उन्होंने एमएस की वीएलएसआई डिजाइन्स में और 8 साल वहां काम करने के बाद पुनः भारत लौटकर एक अपना स्टार्टअप वेंचर चलाया एक्स एंड पाई प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, जिसमें उन्होंने एक टूल डेवलप किया है किश्ताब। अब किश्ताब क्या है, कैसे वो कॉर्पोरेट्स को यूजफुल हो सकता है, कैसे वो अदर इंस्टीट्यूशंस को यूजफुल हो सकता है, वर्चुअल मीटिंग्स आप कैसे उस पर कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं, उसके क्या क्या फीचर्स हैं, उसके बताने के लिए मैं इनवाइट करता हूं रोहन सक्सेना जी को। रोहन जी, वेलकम टू दिस वेबिनार और आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। प्लीज आप बताइए किश्ताब के बारे में, एक्स एंड पाई प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के बारे में। Over to you.
So thanks a lot, Anshu sir, for kind words, and I'll begin with first of all taking you on how you actually get onto this meeting and what the topic right now is and what you do in this session room, right? How you how do you get a personalized feel, and then we will talk about what XMPI and what Kishtab is. So to begin with, we are actually a browser-based tool. So Kishtab Live is a browser-based tool. You don't have to install anything. You don't share any details with us. Your participants are actually receiving a link, and then they are using those links to come on the meeting. So this is how actually the whole scenario works in this particular tool as far as security is concerned. To begin with, let's see there are how you get on and what you do inside the room. So first of all, this is where you actually generate your links. This is for the moderators, where they go ahead and get their links done. So I'll share my screen and tell you what a moderator does on the tool. So now if you'll see, I have an area which is for Hubolt School, right? So a Hubolt School is asking their students to come in and study. So they have booked a meeting, right? Let's say for today, the meeting was at 2:30, right? For social science, political science. And there was a moderator link, there was a participant link. So the moderator link, either you can click on it, copy it, or just send it via email to the moderator, to the teachers. You can send the participant links by clicking on it, taking the pin, or just send the email with which you can actually invite the students. They can come in. After using that link and pin, you get into the room like this, right? Where just take me as your teacher and rest of the people as students. So I have different features over here where I can have a controlled environment. The concern right now is very heavy on the security. That, for example, kids are sharing their cams, which can be taken taken a very serious toll on kids if something wrong happens. So we have kept the environment very much controlled for webinars, for schools, for coachings, for different institutes, right? We have also kept the environment very, very controlled for any corporate which is coming in. So I'll show you a few features, how you actually wander around the whole thing. So on left-hand side, you can see I have users, how many users are there. So for any meeting, you want to take attendance, you go ahead and click on save usernames and you get the attendance. Right? You can mute all user if you are hearing some sound which is not a desired sound, right? Some noise, any kind of disturbance. You can mute all users except the presenter, right? You can go ahead and lock viewers when they join in by if they should share their webcam, if they should see other viewers' webcam, if they should see other viewers, if they can edit any notes, if they can privately chat with each other, if they can publicly chat with each other, they can share microphone, right? Or they can just join in lesson only, right? They can see other viewers' webcam, as I was saying. So you can use these features, toggle these features as moderator and apply them in here you go. You go in a control room, right? So for example, you can see over here, one of the students, VS, is joined with earphones. So he is only listen only. So in most of the webinars, there's a lot of noise. Somebody forgets after switching on their mic. So these kind of symbols can be seen as listen only. They will not be able to speak. They can leave audio, join audio, and they can talk. If I want to actually mute a particular student, I can actually mute them. And if I see any sound from here, the name will be prominent and I can mute them, right? So attendance, then there are public chat, right? You can do public chat. Most of the questions in webinars come through public chat. Most of the classroom questions come in public chat, right? Which moderators can very easily delegate. There is a private chat. If you have to tell something that, you know what, your camera is doing something, one moderator to another moderator, or a participant to a moderator, or a moderator to a participant. So whichever way, you can actually start select that particular guy and start a private chat with them. You can actually go ahead, make them presenter if they want to present something. If you have somebody now who should not be in the room, you can go ahead and remove them, right? And somebody who's a moderator, you want them now to be the viewer, to be the student, to take all the viewer settings. You can demote them or promote them as moderators or viewers, right? So this is actually extremely customizable environment for a classroom where you have all the features what we were listening to over the years, that point of security. I mean, this word of virtual meeting actually came in light now, but in technical side, this was long being talked about, and we were hearing about security and everything for a long time now. And we understood that we have to actually compress everything into a customized thing, right? So this is one of the product what KishTab has, KishTab Live. I will now talk about KishTab and XMPI, the mother thing, right? XMPI Private Limited, what it is, where we are coming from, what we are, and what is the product line I've been mentioning about. So I will share my presentation right now and we'll talk about KishTab and XMPI Private now. So KishTab is an indigenously developed product line from XMPI Private Limited. Under KishTab, we actually serve schools, coachings, colleges, and universities. So this is the part of KishTab for education. If we talk about KishTab for corporates, we are dealing with law firms, we are dealing with the doctors' hospitals, we are dealing with corporate clients who are catering to their clientele, right? So we have corporate houses with us who are dealing with one client at a time, or who are dealing with a bunch of clients at a time for awareness drives and for actually new launches and all. So webinar plus their independent communication, they all are there for, right? So I will talk now a little bit about where we are coming from, what XMPI Private Limited is. So in 2016, me and Shubhra actually got together. Shubhra Day was my boss in our previous employment, and me and Shubhra, we started XMPI Private Limited. We were joined by Rahul Udvadia, who's currently our operations head. So I will talk about Rahul first. So Rahul has 18 plus years of experience dealing in operations for various domains, and he's highly skilled in operational side. We have Sudhi Mittal, who joined us, who is an alumni from IIT Roorkee, and I'm Ahmedabad. Versatile experience, CIO for Pantaloons, CIO for Reliance Group, CEO for Gujarat government. So after that multi-industry experience, we got blessed by him. He joined us as a CIO later last year. And with his guidance, we will actually make KishTab a corporate domain product as well. We were already in education, but we actually moved KishTab for corporate under his guidance. We were blessed with Mr. Vivek Sharma joining us as a marketing and finance advisor for us, with whom we actually started our journey in Northern Belt, Indian Northern Belt. And we understood how we have to pitch the product, and he has been advising us for almost 7-8 months now on this product, and how we go about it, what are the methods of marketing and sales, and how to keep the finances protected, how to keep company lightweight. That's where Vivek Sharma's guidance actually helped us a lot. So then comes Shubhra. So Shubhra Ray is CTO. He's the first line of technical associates from TCS. He was a solution architect for very big conglomerates. He was a solution architect for AT&T Bell Labs. He was solution architect for Mahindra British Telecom. He has worked all across the world in telecommunication and has experience in almost 35 technologies. Right. So I cannot have a better guy for CTO other than Shubhra. Then comes me. So whatever is left over to do comes to me. I have around about 17 years of experience. And with that, we got this product on road with Irbis Private Limited and then moved on to XNPi Private Limited. So I'll tell you when I'm talking about XNPi and KishTab, how the flow goes. So whenever I'm talking about content, right? So just if I'm mentioning content comes from XNPi. All right. So we have been delivering content and we are special in Devyant section. So Devyant section में हमने बहुत special काम किया है. हमारे पास audio books for blind हैं, which are free of cost. We have deaf and dumb sign language videos, which are pretty amazing to look at. We have taken inspiration from the Doordarshan news, which used to come when we were kids. I mean, it comes now as well, but that's the inspiration point was. So there is a video which will play. For a normal video for regular students, and then if you click on a small symbol like this, the video will transform into a deaf and dumb video, and a sign language will start with the same streaming. So that's something we are really proud of. We have created audiobooks where actually student can make notes on Braille at the same time. We have tried to create a free-to-air app and video content for students who are in remote areas, who can all come together and actually participate in Indian economy, right? So we are trying to leave nobody behind and trying to create content for everybody. Now, for which we need funds, and we are moving KishTab product line, which comes for delivery of content. So when we talk about delivery, we actually go to KishTab. Now, KishTab is for corporate and education. In education, we have product line as Live Classes, which I demoed to you. And then we have video delivery system, which is in name itself. Right, test bank, we have document management system, we have class management system, we have hostel management system. We have a product line for corporates where obviously live conferencing is there. We also have corporates content creation and delivery system. We have web app and website design. We have app design for them, and different technical consulting what we do for corporates. So this is about the product line, and with this, I would like to thank Startup Bazaar for giving us a wonderful opportunity to actually put ourselves on a platform like this. And for further details and everything, you can contact me or Rahul, right, for this. So yeah,
thank you, Rohanjit. Thank you very much for this brief introduction to the tool. I would just like कि आप थोड़ा सा बताइए कि आपने इसमें रिकॉर्डिंग का भी फीचर है, तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे की जा सकती है फ्यूचर यूज के लिए?
Yes. So recording is where I showed you where we generate the links, right? When the moderator generate the links, right? They go ahead and create the recording for it. So they say that record the session. And then once the session is getting recorded, right, there comes another link, like there is a participant link and moderator link. Similarly, there comes a playback link right after the meeting is done. And that link is shared with all the participants, and they can watch the recordings. With similarly, go to that link, go to the pin, and you can watch the recording. We also have
watch की जा सकती है या इसको download भी किया जा सकता है?
So for security purposes, as content is proprietary, for whoever is creating them. So we have not kept it for download. But if they request us for the downloaded content, we go ahead and provide them that as well. But that has to be actually a request from the corporation who is actually creating the content.
So automatically download का link नहीं आता है उसमें?
No sir, that has to be secured. Yes, there is no.
And ये shared notes का क्या है? आप थोड़ा सा बताएंगे? शेयर्ड नोट्स एक फीचर है यहाँ पे.
So यहाँ पे shared notes जो आप देख रहे हैं सर, इसमें this is a collaborative notes. So basically when we create these notes, so actually you and I and Vivek sir, who are all in this meeting, right, they can create it. So when I am typing, so for example, this is a very important thing which I typed in gibberish, right? At the same time, Vivek sir and you all can type. Once we are done with this particular conference, we made our important points. We can go ahead and export it in a form. You can export it yours, I can export mine, and Vivek can export his. So all can export it for themselves and can use it.
Okay. So basically, it's for making notes during the conference.
Correct, sir. Correct. And you can save it. Similarly, whatever happened in public chat can also be saved. All right. So that can also be taken up and you can have it for further reference.
Is it required to be saved during the conversation, or it can be saved afterwards also? Would it remain in the playback video?
No. So playback video is mostly for what you are seeing as three of us, and the screen share you are seeing and audio. Okay. That's what is there in playback. This is saved for personal use. So you can, whatever is being discussed during the meeting, you have to save it. Post meeting, that's gone.
Okay. And also just wanted to ask whether with one pin, can multiple people join in? Obviously.
Yes. Right? Yes. So basically, you can see right now, we all are moderators. I can actually make somebody, for example, I want to make you a viewer, right? So there was a viewer link. So I actually can demote you to a viewer, and I can lock you. So right now you are a viewer, right? And I can actually push you back to a moderator. So like that. So multiple moderators can be there, multiple viewers can be there. We are all moderators in this meeting because there might be a situation where you want to share, I want to share, or Vivek want to share. So.
And what is the kind of limit of participants your tool allows?
So basically, we have a capability of 300 plus, but actually, as in India, this product is created for India. So in India, this is a new thing when everybody is going live as the mass population, right? So for that, they need moderators and help and support, which is a very strong point. So our moderators actually go educate you, your trainers and moderators and students where they come in and attend the sessions. So we always have the support there. So we have limited it to 100.
You have limited it to 100, but what if we have to do a public webinar? Say, for example, if we are doing it right now, but if we want to do it a public one and we want thousands of people to join in, would this tool support it?
Yes. So basically, you will take 100 over here, and then we will also launch a YouTube link where you can go to YouTube and watch it. Once the session is over, that YouTube link will become public, private.
Okay, but in the duration of the seminar, you can view it on YouTube as well. There is a link possible.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So, but one has to request to you.
Yes, well, they already tell us when a bigger webinar is coming. So they tell us, and if they want to promote it on their channel, or they are okay with Kishtab channel. So we do it accordingly and we promote it that way.
Okay. So within corporate, आप इसका use कैसे देखते हैं? Say for example, बड़ी corporates हैं, तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं? मतलब आप एक ही सब्सक्रिप्शन पे क्या मल्टीपल डिविजन्स से फॉर एग्जांपल डिफरेंट डिविजन्स होती हैं एक ही कंपनी की, तो क्या वो एक ही सब्सक्रिप्शन से अपने मल्टीपल डिविजन्स को भी ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, sure. So basically what happens is, जो मैंने आपको ऑनलाइन दिखाया था, जहाँ से आपने लिंक लिए, मॉडरेटर लिंक एंड पार्टिसिपेंट लिंक्स एंड ऑल, सो वो पूरी तरह एक API कॉल के थ्रू एक कॉर्पोरेट में डिवाइस हो जाता है, तो उनके अपने सिस्टम के अंदर ये डिफाइन हो जाता है विद देयर लोगो, विद देयर प्रोफाइल, विद देयर कलर चॉइस एंड एवरीथिंग. सो वहाँ पे जाके ये डिफाइन होने से दे एक्चुअली यूज इट डायरेक्टली. So anybody going for a meeting, जैसे आप any tool use करते हैं, you want to go for a meeting, block it and just start your meeting. Those servers are dedicated for that company in their secured shell.
Okay, and at one subscription they can have multiple seminars, multiple conferences at the same time also?
Parallel, yes. So basically, हमारा moderator license base नहीं है. You can have 100 moderators in one account. Okay. So it can work as many moderators as you want. Parallelly, 1,000 meetings can go on.
You are muted.
Okay. So any time limit for your tool?
You can use as much as you want to.
As much as you can. So great. It has been a great tool which we have developed. Best of luck for.
Thank you.
Have a successful product.
You are
and we as a Startup Bazaar are very happy to have this interview with you and to showcase to our viewers that what Kishtab is doing and how it can be used for your particular businesses or your organizations in which way you want. Obviously, it is something which comes for a cost, and you can definitely contact Vivek ji or Rohan ji. रोहन जी, आप अपना एक बार मोबाइल नंबर शेयर कर सकते हैं, एक बार बोल के बता दीजिए so that we
for sure. So I can be reached out on 955-253-5373. I'll repeat, 955-253-5373.
और कोई ईमेल आईडी भी है?
Yeah, it's rohan.saxena@xnpi.com. rohan.saxena@xnpi.com.
एक बार स्पेल कर दीजिए सो दैट लोगों को बिल्कुल क्लियरली पता लग जाए।
Yeah, Rohan rohan.saxena. Yes sir.
एक बार वो स्क्रीन शेयर कर दीजिए, वो जो आपकी लास्ट स्लाइड थी।
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. So viewers, ये आपके पास कांटेक्ट डिटेल्स हैं रोहन जी की, राहुल उदेविका जी की। आप kishtak.com पे जा सकते हैं, प्रोडक्ट के बारे में और जानकारी ले सकते हैं। वी होप कि आपको ये किश्ताक टूल अच्छा लगेगा और आप इसको यूज करने की कोशिश करेंगे। दिस इज आवर वोकल फॉर लोकल सीरीज। हम इसमें कोशिश करेंगे कि इंडिजीनियस इंडियन स्टार्टअप्स को आपके सामने लेकर के आएं और आपको बताएं कि वो कैसा कर रहे हैं एंड हाउ दे आर कम्पीटिंग विद वर्ल्ड प्लेयर्स। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। हमें बड़ा प्रोत्साहन मिलता है कि जब हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल के सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़ते हैं। कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लुकिंग फॉर इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट। थैंक यू, वी आर साइनिंग ऑफ, बाय बाय।